Hi everyone. So today I'm going to do what people refer to as a straight pour. I haven't done one of those yet, so I'll give it a go. These are the colors I'm going to be using. I'm using a turquoise aqua gold. I've got about a 1 to 2.5 ratio, so 1 part paint, 2.5 Floetrol. And then I've got this left over, it's a sort of sea green, so it sort of mixes in. So I'm going to use that to be my circle, to go around the edge of my straight pour. So I'll start layering up the cup. What I think I will be doing is, what will I be doing? How will I layer? Yeah, I think that's the way I'm going to layer everything. So let's get started. Again, thank you so much for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying what you're watching. Please definitely like, subscribe, comment. It's really nice chatting to you guys. And yeah, like I say, let's get started. So my cup is ready, and yeah, I've put it in a smaller cup this time. And how I understand it is I think we just go back and forth like that. So straight away I like the colors. They are seriously cool. The turquoise is maybe a bit strong. You know, like there's a lot of it. Right, I'm almost at the end. I want to make sure I pull up quickly. Oh well, who knows? I'm going to put a little circle around this. Come on, meat. Take some of it into my corners. I'm pouring on a little canvas because I always do when I'm testing ideas, testing things before I start then taking it out into bigger work, because these are not overly expensive, and also, you know, you don't use as much paint. I lost quite a lot of my green to the ground there. That wasn't probably very clever, but anyway. Now I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. So I kind of want to push that jade off first before I, and you know, there's quite a big band of turquoise there, so I think I just want to let it go, let it go. So it's like a tree ring pour, but it's not. That's actually really nice. Really pretty. So what I don't like is when I lift it up, I got a little bit of a line there. I don't think I can do much about it though. Looks like a great big V in the middle there. Either a V for victory or something ruder. I like it though. It's very green, very turquoisey greeny. So not a lot of the aqua has really come through. I do want to invest in a different gold. I don't have the right gold and it sort of gets quite muted, it gets lost. I'm hoping when this dries though that that gold will shine underneath a lot of these colors. But I think it's actually really nice, and all my edges are fine except this side. This one I never went over far enough, but there's enough on the ground to tidy that up, so that's not a problem. I wonder if, I know you're not, I wonder if I'd torch it, bothering, because I can see quite a bit of green through here. I'm just worried if I torch it that I'll get funny pinpricks. Actually, yeah, torching was a good idea. Torching was a good idea because it's caused almost like droplets formations to come through. So there we are. I think that's what they call a straight pour. Not very dissimilar to a ring pour. I shall bring you in for a close-up. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and please definitely subscribe, like, subscribe, do all of those things, because I so appreciate it when you do. Thanks very much. Bye. So as promised, I will bring you in for a close-up. It looks actually quite cool, doesn't it? And like you can see the V for victory. That's where I'm seeing it as. And you can see the gold sort of coming through. And you know, the torching allowed some of those was like droplets. So I like it. I need to do some more. There's no question. I definitely need to do some more. I wonder if you need slightly thicker consistency paint, maybe. Because what I don't know if I'm like is that. And that when I was going back and forth, the turquoise came out in a big block, and I think that's what's created that, because as you stretch it out, that I would like to sort of work on. Otherwise I really like it. So thanks for watching.